In this video, you will learn how to see your recently watched videos on YouTube by accessing the YouTube watch history. Step-by-step guide. Here is the step 1. The first step is that you need to make sure that you are logged into the correct account, because I know that people have different YouTube accounts to watch different kind of videos. So make sure that you are logged into the correct account. Then you need to locate the history from this bar. If it is not visible, click these 3 horizontal lines, and in the next screen you will see your watched history. You can scroll down and look for the video you are trying to find out. By the way, these videos are organized in the chronological order, meaning by that the most recent video would be on the top and then the previous one. So at the top you will see the videos that you have watched today, and then below that would be yesterday, and then similarly you can move down to the past videos. This page is not only to find out the recently watched videos, but you can also control your history by clicking here, and you can clear all your watch history. You can even pause the history, and even you can manage your history. So that's how you find these videos.